Welcome to Our Daily Health. Stretch marks. 23 home remedies for stretch marks. Stretch marks, striae distensi, are narrow, long lines that appear on your skin due to weight changes in pregnancy. According to a study in 2015 by the American Academy of Dermatology, about 50% of pregnant women may develop stretch marks. Stretch marks vary in color. They may range from dark brown, pink, red, and purple. They mainly occur on the thighs, abdomen, breasts, and buttocks. There are several ways to get rid of those ugly lines on your body. Stretch marks. 23 home remedies for stretch marks. Number 1. Castor oil. Castor oil is regularly used to treat skin problems such as fine lines, dark spots, pimples, moles, and wrinkles. How will castor oil heal my stretch marks, you ask? Well, it's super easy. Apply the oil directly on the stretch marks and massage in a circular motion for 15 minutes. Wrap the area with a light cloth after the massage, then apply heat with a water bottle or a heating pad. Do this process for 30 minutes every day for a month to see functional changes. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil works magic when it comes to treating skin conditions, and it works well too in eliminating stretch marks. It is rich in nutrients and antioxidants which are perfect for the skin. Slightly warm the oil and apply it to the affected area. Rub it gently for a few minutes. Ensure you do this twice every day for a couple of weeks and watch those stretch marks fade. Number 3. Aloe vera. This is an effective remedy for various skin problems as well as stretch marks. Aloe vera has healing and soothing properties. Massage aloe vera on the stretch mark and wash it with lukewarm water. You can also mix a quarter cup with vitamin A and vitamin E oils. Apply the mixture on the stretch mark and rub it until it's fully absorbed. Use it every day for better results. Number 4. Shea butter. It might not be easy to remove stretch marks altogether, but shea butter may help prevent their occurrence and diminish their appearance. Shea butter has high vitamin A levels, which increases the skin's elasticity and makes skin supple. If you have stretch marks, apply raw shea butter on the affected area and use it 3 times a day. Number 5. Egg whites. Egg whites are rich in collagen, protein, and vitamin A, which remove scars efficiently. Besides, the egg white's enzymes improve your skin's elasticity, thus fading scars over time. Separate the egg yolk from the egg white. Beat the egg white in a bowl using a fork. Apply it on the stretch marks and allow it to sit for 15 minutes, and then rinse off with water. You may apply olive oil after drying the area with a clean towel. Repeat the process 3 times daily for better results. Number 6. Lemon juice. The acidity in lemon juice may help fade scars associated with acne, wounds, and stretch marks. Lemons are full of alpha-hydroxy acids, AHA, and vitamin C. These properties help eliminate stretch marks faster. Cut 1 lemon into 2 halves and rub gently on your skin where there are stretch marks. Rub for about 10 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Number 7. Glycolic acid. Yes, glycolic acid is a fantastic choice for skin problems. It promotes the production of collagen, which your skin needs to get rid of stretch marks. Here are a few steps on how to use glycolic acid. Gently rub your stretch marks with some glycolic acid for 10 minutes and then take a shower. Avoid sunshine exposure when using glycolic acid as it may irritate your skin. Number 8. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help nourish the skin. They may also accelerate the healing of scars and stretch marks and protect your skin from UV radiation. Apply vitamin E oil on your skin morning and evening daily for effective results. Number 9. Apple cider vinegar. You already know the health benefits that come with the regular use of apple cider vinegar. The malic and acetic acid at ACV breaks the scar tissue on your skin, hence removing stretch marks. It may also help to reduce cellulite. Put some apple cider vinegar in a spray bottle and spray on your stretch marks every night. Leave it on overnight. Take a shower the next morning to wash it off. Apply a moisturizer on your skin if it feels dry. Number 10. Black tea. Are you wondering how black tea will clear your stretch marks? Well, black tea has vitamin C, B, and E. It also contains essential minerals like potassium, zinc, and magnesium, perfect for your skin and stretch marks removal. Boil 2 tablespoons of black tea with 1 teaspoon of salt in water for 3 minutes. Let it cool and then apply it to your skin every day. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 11. Bentonite clay. Bentonite clay has a crucial role in treating stretch marks. It also clears the dead cells, oils, and dirt from your pores that cause breakouts. Pour the clay into a bowl and mix with a little water to make a paste. Apply the paste to your skin, let it dry, and then rinse with water. Use this treatment daily for significant results. Number 12. Vicks Vapor Rub. Yes, you heard that right. You're used to using Vicks Vapor Rub for pain and cold symptoms. However, surprisingly, it may help eliminate stretch marks. It's because of the moisturizing properties in the eucalyptus oils present in the balm. These properties help heal scars and tighten the skin. Apply some adequate amount of Vicks on the affected area and rub for 3 minutes. Do not rub vigorously. You may leave it on your skin or rinse it off with water if necessary. Number 13. Argan oil. Argan oil is perfect for your skin. It contains vitamin E, which naturally nourishes your skin by locking in moisture. According to a study, using a cream with argan oil may prevent stretch marks during pregnancy and improve skin elasticity. Apply argan oil twice daily in the areas with stretch marks and leave it on. It gets rid of the stretch marks within no time. Number 14. Rosehip oil. You want to get rid of those stubborn stretch marks on your thighs, breast, and buttocks? Rosehip oil, which is extracted from the rose plant's seeds and fruits, effectively removes stretch marks and reduces the severity of them during pregnancy. Mix a few drops of rosehip oil in a carrier oil, such as olive oil, and apply it to your skin. Use it twice daily and do not wipe it off. Number 15. Potato juice. Starch. It may sound weird, but it works. This superfood contains essential fatty acids and phytochemicals such as polyphenols and carotenoids. It also has minerals and vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin B complex, magnesium, calcium, potassium, and phosphorus. Potato promotes collagen and elastin synthesis, thus restoring skin cells and fading stretch marks. Cut potatoes into thick slices, rub them on the stretch marks, leave them for 10 minutes, and rinse them with lukewarm water. Number 16. Hydrate. Hydrate. Yes, drinking enough water cannot be overemphasized. No remedy will work well on dehydrated skin. Drink at least 8 glasses of water, 2 when you wake up, 1 after breakfast, 2 before lunch, 1 after, and 2 before supper. Water detoxifies your system and restores the elasticity of your skin. Number 17. Take a healthy diet. Besides hydrating your skin, ensure you keep nourished by eating a healthy diet. A malnourished skin cannot absorb the benefits of essential oils, lotions, or even masks that you apply topically. A healthy diet comprises protein, beans, eggs, and meat, fruits such as guava, papaya, vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, and spinach. Number 18. Sugar. Sugar is a natural exfoliant for skin and one of the best home remedies for stretch marks. Add a few drops of almond oil and lemon juice to a tablespoon of sugar. Stir and rub it gently on your skin for 10 minutes in circular motions. Take a shower after. Continue with the process for a month until the stretch marks fade. Number 19. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential in the prevention of scars on the dermis. You will find the vitamin in green leafy vegetables such as cabbage, lettuce, spring onions, pickled cucumber, and spinach. Ensure you include these vegetables in your daily diet by making a salad or prepare them your preferred way. You may also take vitamin K supplements, but seek your doctor's opinion first. Number 20. Coffee. The chemicals in ground coffee are considered effective in lightening stretch marks and scars and tightening the skin. When applied to the skin, the caffeine increases blood circulation while boosting cell regeneration. Coffee is also a natural exfoliant that removes the dead skin cells, encouraging the production of new cells. Add warm water into a cup of coffee beans and blend them into a thick paste. Add aloe vera pulp and mix. Apply it to your skin while massaging for at least 5 minutes and let it sit for 20 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Do this process for about a month for favorable results. Number 21. Tea tree oil. Due to the anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties, tea tree oil is used to heal various skin problems such as psoriasis, eczema, and eliminating stretch marks and scars. Apply a sufficient amount of the oil on your stretch marks, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. If you are allergic to tea tree oil, mix it with a carrier oil like olive or almond oil. Number 22. Jojoba oil. This light oil is easy to use and very effective. It has fatty alcohols and fatty acids that are beneficial in treating eczema, acne, sunburn, scars, and stretch marks. Jojoba oil has soothing, healing, and moisturizing properties, and it is perfect for all skin types. You can apply the oil to your skin morning and evening daily, or add it to your body lotion or cream. Number 23. Oatmeal scrub. Oatmeal is an effective exfoliant for the skin. It removes dead skin cells while lightening your stretch marks considerably. If you use an oatmeal scrub for several weeks, it might help you build confidence in your skin to wear your summer dresses and bikinis all over again. Mix 2 teaspoons of oatmeal with 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. Apply it to the stretch marks and leave it for 5 minutes. Scrub the skin gently for 10 to 12 minutes using your fingertips and then rinse with warm water. Do this for several weeks to get the most out of this remedy. Final thought. Stretch marks can be annoying, especially when you want to wear your favorite bikini or summer dress and you cannot wear them because of those ugly lines. The above home remedies for stretch marks will help you get by quickly. All you need is patience and persistence. Use 1 or 2 methods for several weeks for effective results. Do you want healthy, nourished, and stretch mark-free skin? It is achievable. Yes, it is. Select a few of these home remedies and start working on your stretch marks as soon as now. All the best. Which home remedies for stretch marks do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.